The problem is like this. What is the height from which a water drop at 20 degrees centigrade has to fall so that just before striking the ground it converts into steam? Let's try to understand what's the meaning of that. There is a water drop of mass m. It is at a certain height from the ground which has to fall. That means it's a free fall. Its initial velocity equal to 0. It is at a certain height from the ground. When the drop is at a height, when water drop is at a height h, all energy that it possesses is potential energy. It's not having any velocity, so there is no kinetic energy. So how much is that? mgh. By the time it is striking here, it has to convert into steam, right? If it has to convert into steam, conservation of energy has to be satisfied as per law of conservation of energy. Potential energy at this place is the total heat energy by the time it reaches the bottom. Potential energy at that place is mgh. Now it is given that it is at 20 degrees centigrade. Conversion into steam happens at boiling temperature, that is at 100 degrees centigrade. That implies delta T has to be 100 minus 20, 80 degrees centigrade. So the water drop's temperature has to rise by 80 degrees centigrade so that it is at 100 degrees centigrade. At 100 degrees centigrade, to convert into water, it needs a heat energy of ml, basing on the definition of latent heat. So ml, that's the same water drop, so mass can be cancelled. G value is approximately 10. H you have to find out. Specific heat of water is 1 calorie per gram per Kelvin. 1 calorie means 4.2 joules. 1 gram is 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Kelvin is same in degree centigrade or degree Kelvin delta, the value of this unit. So this is now converted into SI system. Delta T is, as I told you, 80 plus latent heat of latent heat of water to steam is 540 calorie per gram. 1 calorie is again 4.2 joules. 1 gram means 10 power minus 3 kilogram. So what happens? Calculate. 10H is equal to 4.2 into, this will become 1000 into 80. This is 540 into 4.2 into 1000. So let us simplify this. This is 4200 into 80 plus this is 4200 into 540. So together 4200 into 540 and 80 is 620. That is 10H. So 1 0 can be cancelled. So H is 4200 into 62 meter. Well, it has to fall from a height of 260.4 kilometer. Then only it will be converting into steam, which is practically very much difficult to happen in a real life. That's it. Thank you for watching.